Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig tour. We are going to be going over my wig collection that I have accumulated over the past probably year or so. I'm going to try them all on and give you my reviews on them, why I have them, and how much. And most of them are from Amazon, and I think one of them is from Powdered Room or something. I will go ahead and link all of the wigs down below if I have the links. So if you want to see all the wigs that I own, let's get into it. I keep all of my wigs on these little, well, I need to get more of these because I only have 4 and I have gotten so many more wigs since then. I either keep them in a bag that they came with or I hang them up and I kind of put them on a little stand like this. But this is my first wig I ever purchased. It's from the Powdered Room, I believe. They're based in the UK, and I got this for Halloween. I was a zombie, pop art zombie type thing. I saw it on Pinterest. I'll put a picture up here, and it's got lace. It's like a lace front, so it looks a little bit more natural. Adjust it, and boom. But I just braid my hair and I put it on, and then you can tie the straps down here. This one, you can glue it on, you can tape it to really secure it. I think I taped it. Okay, this is the full wig. It's super long. I wish my hair was this long and thick. It went so well with the costume, and yeah, and I don't think it was that expensive for being the first one. There's a lot of wigs that are like in the thousands if you have like real hair, but these are all synthetic since I don't wear them all the time, and they're just like costume type wigs. Another thing about this one is that it does have clips in here to really secure, and then it's got the straps underneath. I think this next wig I got, this one is from Amazon. It's a little crazy. This I got because I wanted to do a Halloween look, kind of like a porcelain doll. So I got it, and it's got bangs. It's so, I need to brush it out. So yeah, I was thinking about putting like a bow up top and it being like a little doll look. So kind of looks like a mullet in a way because the bangs are super thick and they go all the way out to here. This one's fun and it has bangs, so you don't like see the lace or your hairline or anything like that, so you can really hide it. And if you ever need a style, like if some of the curls kind of fall out, you can always use a steamer and some rollers and just like set the curls with the hot steam. This next one is funny because I was pregnant this past Halloween, so I was Fat Thor for as my costume. I got this one from Amazon. This is a Thor wig. This is like not the best wig because obviously like I'm probably not gonna wear this again. Maybe my husband will if he just wants to be Thor or something. And then it came with a beard. So this was my costume for Halloween. Cool. So I French braided my hair and then I pinned it to the top. This next one is one I used for a Wednesday look, which I believe is on the shorts tab. But I braided it and I put it up kind of like how she had it in the show. But I mainly got this wig so that I can use the bangs. This is from Amazon as well, and I'll give you the full. This one I also got from Amazon, and I like getting wigs from Amazon because surprisingly they actually have really good wigs, and they're cheap, and they're not like the Party City ones. Or like the ones you get from like the Halloween stores that have like 3 hairs on the wig. These actually come with like a good amount. This one was just like a super, like I didn't even care if it looked real or not. But this was for a Halloween look, I think like 2 years ago. I was a witch. I was kind of like a dark magic witch. I don't know. I always come up with like these random costumes, but I just love dressing up and I love putting on costumes and all kinds of stuff. So that's why I have all these. But with this one came completely like grayish, and I used some eyeshadow and some root spray to spray the top to make it look like it was like it's rooted, so it looks more like my hair. It looks like it has dimension and stuff, but no, it came all one color, all gray, and I went and sprayed the top and then I blended it out with some black eyeshadow to make it look like it's coming out of my head, to make it look a little bit more realistic. And you can also add like texture powder and dry shampoo to your wigs to get rid of that fake shine, synthetic shine, to make them look a little bit more realistic. So, and this is kind of like cosplay. I think it's marketed as a cosplay wig. So you see it a lot with like anime type style, but I kind of like pinned it back a little bit and then had this over top. Give you a full look. Okay, this next one I got because I was doing a Barbie look, and you can't go wrong with getting, like, if you like dressing up or want to get started with like costuming, you can't go wrong with like a platinum blonde wig, because you can be so many things. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so yes, I did a Barbie look, and I believe I got this one from the powder room. Okay, it is called the powder room. So this is where I got it. And you can hear my baby in the background. These come with lace. These are lace fronts, and you kind of cut it down as close to the hairline as possible, and you can kind of color the lace to blend it into your skin a little bit better if you want. I believe it's also from the powder room. It's another staple if you want to get into costuming, or if you just want to have like start a collection of wigs. Like, this is a good one because you could be so many things with a red wig. But I got this one because I wanted to be able to have this just in case I needed to dress up needed a last minute costume, and there's so many characters that have like red hair, so just nice to have. And this has like that lace which you can cut down and glue and pin down as well. But this is why I like the powder room, because they're a little bit more expensive than the Amazon wigs, but they're lace front, so they look a little bit more natural, and they're not that expensive. Like, I think some are like under 100, and then some are a little bit over 100, but it's still not bad. Next one is this one. This I got for Halloween a couple years ago. I was Velma from Scooby-Doo. I mean, obviously she has straight hair, but it was last minute, and this was the only wig left. So it's funny because I actually have seen people wear this wig out, and I know that it's a wig because I have it. And last but not least, I believe this is from Amazon, and I got this one because I didn't even get to use it, but I wanted to do a tutorial on Chucky's girlfriend. I like this one because it has the rooted look already, and it's like a natural blonde. But yeah, I got this so that I could do a tutorial, maybe I'll do it next year, on Chucky's bride, because she kind of has hair a little like this, and I didn't get to. But so this one is still on standby. I think they're fun. I think they're super useful, and you know, you don't have to just wear them for like costumes or Halloween. You could definitely wear them every day. And Amazon has really good quality ones if you don't have the money to spend on more expensive ones. So that is it for my wig collection. I'm sure I will add more as the years go on, because it's just so fun to dress up and maybe try a new hairstyle or a new color. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Let me know if you want to see me styling some of the wigs, especially because they're all synthetic. It's kind of hard to style with hot tools. You could melt the hair. So let me know if you want to see how I style them, or how I actually like put them on and secure them, or if you want to see certain looks tutorials based on a certain wig. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.